Welcome to Sci-Chat Mindset. Today's video explore how causal studies aim to uncover cause and effect relationships. For example, testing a flea collar involves selecting subjects, randomly dividing them into groups, and applying the treatment under identical conditions. Causal effects can be subtle. Statistical methods help determine if differences like reduced fleas are significant. Multiple factors often affect outcomes. Randomization and controlling external variables are key to isolating the effect of a single factor like the flea collar. Bias can skew results. Blinding techniques ensure the veterinarian doesn't know which group a dog belongs to, improving objectivity. Techniques like statistical analysis, randomization, and double-blind studies help overcome challenges in causal research, ensuring reliable and objective results. Scientific observations and causal studies rely on objectivity, instruments, and robust methods. By addressing biases and leveraging tools, scientists uncover reliable truths about the world. If this video sparked your curiosity, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned to Sci-Chat Mindset for more exciting content.